First of all, we are going to search and find the official Government Gazette website via Google and Wikipedia. So, we go to Wikipedia website and look for the list of Government Gazette. In the list, we find the Iran country and click on the website of Official Gazette of Iran. Loading of the website may be very slow depending on where you are connecting from. First thing you notice is that the website is in Persian, so we can choose to translate it by Google Chrome itself. After doing so, scroll down a bit and on the menu on right select the third item from top, Legal Ads. On this page, you see a field called National ID, and the ID corresponding to Bertina Corporation is 10102611963. Then hit search. You can translate the web page again, and you can see the latest official gazette at the top. So click on the View Ad Details. Again, the website can be very slow, and sometimes it may show you an error of service unavailable. In this case, hit refresh a couple of times and the page should open. In the next stage, you should put the captcha number in the box and hit the send button on left. Finally, you can use the Google Translator again to translate the page to see all the needed information in English. And please keep in mind that Google Translator sometimes can be inaccurate. As you can see, all dates are shown in Iranian calendar system. For converting that to Gregorian date, you can always Google date converter. For example, I choose datehijri.com. In here I choose to convert date from solar. So the registration date is 20th day of the 5th month in 1397. As you can see, it is converted to Gregorian date. Also, if you want to use the search method again, you can click on Legal Ads. In here, you can use a national ID or company registration number for other companies. National ID is preferred, but some companies, such as public ones, doesn't have national ID. And also, you can choose which legal notices you want to see. For example, year 1395 refers to legal notices since 2016 up until now. and year 1394, and earlier refers to before 2015. And by hitting search, you can see all the legal notices of that company.